Here we are, friends. We are in the house of God. We're gonna have to replace some of these banisters that people used to pray, and it's pretty fast. Pick up one of my favorite things, and let's get into it. Right? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. All that stained glass. That is priceless. Amazing. Anyway, let's do an amazing job and an amazing work for God and for our beloved clients. So here we go. We have the new one with the new brackets. And we're gonna go really nice and install it right there. I'm gonna remove the old brackets from the old one and install the new one. All right, let's go ahead and just dry fit it. Let's make sure that it goes back to where it needs to go. And we'll come and secure everything. There we go. Those are hard working hands. Okay. The reason I'm just dry fitting it first to make sure that everything stays before we come back and torque them with the good old-fashioned drill. Let's do the same on the other side. Here we are. Make sure that all fit in the old place, and then we are going to re-secure everything back. Go ahead, let's do that. Perfect. Perfecto. There we go. Mission completed. Work done. Look at that beautiful church. Look at those stained glasses. All right, let's go ahead and see if that work that we did is secure. That's the old one functioning, and there is the new one installed. Great. So let's make sure in the future, people out there, make sure those things are there, the brackets, because when people push this up, they usually, there is no brackets, they move, and that will cause that to have a lot of torque, thus breaking apart.